Hello folks, this little camera I used a long time ago, I haven't used it for a while, but the wind blew hard and blew down some of the picket or the rail rail fence I had up, and last night I had to bring Pearl in here, so she's in the stall now. She is one of my older mares, and she is a one of the team where I got pictures of her pulling the wagon, and I got a stone boat and some other stuff I pulled around, but I never got any pictures of that. But she's pretty heavy. I don't know if I tried to put the harness on her, if I'd have to have a new belly strap for sure. But here's Misty again. Always got to take a picture of Misty. She's a dandy little girl, and she's been with me, and from the time she was birthed, she wanted to follow me around. I don't know how the lighting will work with this camera, but there's one of the cats that seem to think that it's got to be around me all the time, follows me all over. And this in here we call Cleo, eating here, the little gray one. This one was the first one that came. Somebody dumped her off, and she's a reason for all these other cats. She's a lover type cat too. Here's one that's just scared to death, going back behind. This one here is cute. It'd be nice if we was able to find somebody that wanted these cats, because they're nice kittens really. But anyway, back to Pearl. She's just right at 30 inches. She's a baby doll. Is the other team mare, and hi Pearl. You like the camera? This camera you're not afraid of. I'm talking and you don't know why I'm talking, do you? Yeah. She did real good driving. I got the hay out as soon as I bring the truck. A little bit ago I looked out here, and Prince and Blind Star was jumping up and standing on their rear feet, biting at each other. You guys want your picture taken? Here you are, right up close. Yeah, that's Prince, and here's Star. He can hear me, and he knows where I'm at, but he can't see. He pays attention. He gets around real good for not being able to see, as long as he's in his own area. The cats are out and about. I got to finish up doing chores right now, so I'm going to shut this off and say goodbye.